Welcome back to CarDekho, where we help you pick the right car right now. And right now there's big news coming in from the Global NCAP that has just crash tested the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza. Heads up, the results might just surprise you. Let's get you all the details in 2 minutes. Let's go. The Maruti Vitara Brezza scored an impressive 4 out of 5 stars in the crash test conducted by the Global NCAP. Notably, the Nexon compact SUV got the same score earlier this year. NCAP said that the protection offered for the driver and co-driver's head and neck was good, whereas chest protection was marginal for the driver and good for the passenger. As far as the knees are concerned, it was rated good for the right knee and marginal for the left knee of the passenger and marginal for both knees of the driver. The Vitara Brezza recently got Isofix child seat mounts as standard. Owing to this, it scored a respectable 2 stars for child safety. Notably, the Nexon fared better here with 3 stars. In terms of outright numbers, the Nexon did better than the Brezza, scoring 13.56 out of 17, whereas the Maruti scored 12.51 for adult safety. Similarly, for child safety, the Nexon scored 25 out of 49, whereas the Brezza has scored 17.93. Hit pause and take a detailed look at how both cars fared in the same test. The crash-tested Brezza is the base spec LDI variant that's made in India for the Indian market. As we all know, dual airbags, ABS and Isofix child seat mounts are offered as standard across all variants. That's all for this video. Drop in your thoughts in the comment section below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.